Hey there! Are you on the lookout for the perfect gift for the handy person in your life? Well, you're in luck. Right now on Amazon Prime, Dewalt power tools are on sale, and it's the perfect time to start your early Christmas shopping. Dewalt is known for their rugged, high-quality tools that can handle any job, big or small. Whether it's for a seasoned professional or a weekend DIY warrior, these deals are too good to pass up. First up, the Dewalt 20V Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit. This set includes a powerful drill and impact driver, both with efficient brushless motors. Normally priced at $239, it's now just $129. That's $110 off. Next, we have the Dewalt 10-inch Table Saw, perfect for precision cuts on wood, metal, and more. It's durable, portable, and currently $120 off the usual price. Grab it now for only $299. And don't miss out on the Dewalt 20V Max Cordless Leaf Blower. Keep your yard tidy this fall with this lightweight yet powerful blower. It's down to just $101, a cool $50 off the regular price. Now, if you're not an Amazon Prime member yet, you're missing out on some fantastic benefits. With Prime, you get free 2-day shipping, exclusive access to lightning deals, and even streaming access to thousands of movies and TV shows. It's a great way to make your holiday shopping smoother and cheaper. So what are you waiting for? Check out the links in the description to see these Dewalt power tool deals and to join Amazon Prime with a free 30-day trial. Happy shopping and happy holidays!